Auscultation of heart. We have 5 points for auscultation. First point located where located apex beat. Apex beat. We can listen here mitral valve. Like this, laptop, laptop, laptop. First sound and second sound. Second point located from second intercostal space in right side. Parasternal line. From parasternal line. We can listen here aortic valve. Third point for pulmonary artery valve. Pulmonary valve. And this point located from linea parasternalis sinistra, second intercostal space in front of second point. Sphenoid process of sternum, and we can listen here tricuspidal valve. Okay, 5th point located in line parasternal line sinistra, third, fourth intercostal space, or between third and fourth ribs. Second name of this point, Erba point, and we can listen. We should listen aortic valve.